Come on. Come on, Lucas. Come on, big guy. Oh, you getting all wet. Let me see your hand. Catch that down. Easy. Wow. Is that cool or what? Huh? What is it? What is it? Huh? Lucas is making shoe prints in the snow. The snow is now about 4 to 6 inches thick. What is it, Lucas? Is it crunchy? That's pretty, isn't it, Lucas? Where are you going? Stop. Can't go out there. Yeah. This is the front yard. The house. I see it. Pick up some snow, Lucas. Pick up some snow. Lucas, get some snow. You gonna pick it up? Look. You see the snow? Yeah. It's coming out of the sky, isn't it? Let's look let's show everybody. Oh, Lucas trying to go down. Oh, he fell down the hill. Where you going?